This is the CamJam tie down strap, and this is the CamJam XT aluminum cord tightener. So check these things out. First thing, we'll start here with the cam tie down strap. It has a 700-pound working load limit, and it's got a quickly secure and go. You know, it's got this like quick latch system here, and looking at the back, it's a high quality buckle with protective pad. So it has this pad back here. It's got the Nite Ize, and how awesome is that? This Nite Ize company's been around forever. They have some amazing products, and it's just going to show you a couple ways to run this buckle. You're going to loop it through, then loop it back down, and you can see how it goes around 2 bars. Then you got the lockout right here. You can go up and then down, then it locks out. So let me go ahead and take this thing out, and let's see how it works. Number one, it looks like it comes, I don't need to cut it because it comes with a little twist tie here. So like if you were tying something down, it would go down, then this would go up like this, then this would run in here like this, and you would tighten it down just like that. Check that out. And then this runs down in here like this. Actually, pretty innovative way of tightening this up, not like a normal cam. And then to loosen it, you know, all you do is hit the button there, and check that out, it loosens right up. And to tighten it, it's just a pull like that. And that's got a 700-pound working limit to get that out. So yeah, there's the little tie down strap. Let's check this. This one has a little twist tie on it. Oh, it's got a couple little zip ties, but you know what, I have my next tool, flagship, there. We get that off, and I love these things right here. I have this on my hammock as a guideline, and I absolutely love this. This comes with PARACORD. This one right here does. And looking over it here, there's a few ways of going. You have a fixed end or a loop. So you have this lock. Let's say you went around something, you would come back, go here, just like that, and this is the super strong paracord. Pull this little like mechanism there. All right, so you're just going to run it through right there, lift up on that, and look at that, 280-pound working load. And like I said, I use this for a guideline on my hammock. That's where it works extremely well. And if you need to, you could put a knot in this. So if I wanted to, I'd put a knot, and it will not slip. So that way I can slip it down like that, and it's not going to slip out of there. And then you're just going to run this around and then loop it back on itself, and it's got the little latch mechanism there. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got on the tie down strap cord tightener. See you guys in the next video.